Hello.
Welcome back to the channel, Soup.
It's great to be back.
Or something. There's stuff. I don't know if this is the right place to enter. There's like a bunch of regular cars and then the cars from the show.
Not as bad as Wall Lake though, where they have like full lots of Dodges.
Yeah, I already see an STI. Soup, you don't understand.
I don't.
Ford Focus RS in my favorite color. Well, my favorite color for the Ford Focus RS. Like, with blue Brembo brakes. Man, that's always hard to say. And then stock Ford brakes. And M5 with a V10 in it.
That I understand.
That you understand?
Yeah.
Dude, look at those giant ass brakes.
Oh yeah.
It needs those. It needs that kind of stopping power though, with that kind of engine under it.
Oh yeah.
Man.
500 plus.
Dude, this Michigan weather is hitting me. We got a Porsche WRX with a wing on it. We got another WRX somewhere. Another BMW. Bunch of Ford Focus STs. I like 4 in a row. There's if you guys remember from the from one of the other videos with the Rabbit in it, that's not exactly the cleanest diesel. Well, there it is. We got a Z06. YouTube, go.
Nismo Nick.
Check Nismo Nick out. That's his Rabbit. That's not clean at all. It's not a clean diesel.
It is not a clean diesel.
Hellcat. Woo! Yeah, it's Joe.
Like 10 cars. No plate.
It's an old one. It's a bad 300C. That Trans Am looks like, yeah. I want one so bad though. I want a black one with gold. It's a Trans Am. It's a Super B.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to. If I may, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I was gonna get a bunch of cars like leaving, but it's raining and it's Michigan weather. It's like
horrible.
It's like 32 degrees outside right now. It's
cold.
freezing cold. I understand I'm in a sweatshirt and so is Soup, but like my hands are what's cold and it's really hard to do things with gloves on and I don't like them. So it's really cold. It's
super cold.
And plus it's raining a little bit. It's just not a fun experience. So it was a great time here at the car show. I mean, this is every time I go to a different car show. Like this is the first time I'm coming to this car show. It's always a different experience. So it's great. Yeah. Anything else you have to add, Soup?
No.
You never add anything to the end of my
I don't
videos.
need to add anything.
He's no fun.
I'm not.
All right, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.